In this video, I will discuss how to create batch email using the hosted system. For instructions on sending batch email, please see the follow-up tutorial. This video is for administrators. If you are a teacher and you would like a tutorial on portal batch email, please see my other video. Open Hosted and click on the Microsoft Outlook icon. Achieve provides you with a copy of Outlook solely for batch email. Please do not use this copy for sending and receiving personal or other work emails. This copy of Outlook only has outgoing functionality and cannot receive incoming emails. So, once Outlook is opened, go up to New to create a new draft. Note that emails from this version of Hosted will display as coming from your school email address, so any responses will be to that email and will go directly to the inbox that you normally use, not to this copy of Outlook. You can save up to 200 drafts for different purposes here. You might have an open house reminder email, a bills are due email, different event emails for every grade, lots and lots of draft emails. For now, I'll just create a tester. Now the most important thing to remember when creating a draft is to not put any address in the to or the CC boxes. It's very important. If you put addresses in now, that person will receive a copy of every email every time this draft is sent. And since we send them out one at a time to each recipient, the person whose email address is entered here would probably receive hundreds of emails. So leave these two things blank, but do enter a subject. This is what its title will be in the draft selection drop-down menu, so be sure to make it something recognizable. But also remember, it will be the subject of your email, so don't name it something like email to parents of kids with discipline issues, but also don't name it hello. That's probably too vague. So let's give it a subject. And then once you've given it a subject, you're ready to start entering your message. Type it in this box just like any other email you might send. You can use all the regular features of Outlook, so if you're already familiar with this software, that's great. You can attach files, just use the attach button up here. Items, you can add a signature. Here's the little button right here. You can change the font color, size, font, all that great stuff that you can use with Outlook normally, you can use here. We even have a special set of bookmarks just for batch email, which you can access through Hosted. So let's go ahead and open Hosted. So we're on our main screen, click Send Batch Email, and then to view the list of bookmarks, you do need to choose a draft from the drop-down list, any draft at all, and you'll see this button, Show Available Bookmarks. Click that, and then Achieve will display a list of the available bookmarks. I highly recommend printing a copy of this list or saving it to your desktop so you can access it anytime without having to go through the batch email section of Hosted. Now, if you want to enter a bookmark in one of your email drafts, you need to enter the bookmark name exactly as it appears here. So if I want my family name to show up, I need to do bracket, bracket, household underscore family, bracket, bracket, just like that in my draft. For a tutorial on using bookmarks more generally, please see my bookmark video. Let's go ahead and go back to our draft. Once you're done editing everything in your message, make sure to save. Great. To ensure that your message has been saved and is in your drafts folder, minimize this. Don't close it or you'll lose all your hard work. Minimize, go to your drafts folder, and then see Tester Email Draft. There it is, right there. Great. Now your drafts are all ready to go. For part 2 of this tutorial, Sending Batch Email, please watch the next video.